Alex, are you ready to go with Cody?
Yes, we are.
And what are we doing with it?
We need to get digital. And so if Muhammad can promise that we get digital today, we can go ahead and set the exams.
Well, the exam is already
Because
set.
everything else is ready.
The exam's already set
Okay.
for August 4th at 12:30, unless you need adjourn PCC waiting for that digital.
Yeah, I just need to hear from Muhammad on that. So he just got here and yeah, so let me just check with Muhammad real quick.
All right, just let me know. I'm gonna mute you just because I hear all the background.
As soon as you get me a signed piece of paper, I'll get it going for you.
Peter, are you done with the prosecutor?
I talked to Jacob and we have to adjourn. He's not been able, he didn't reach out to the alleged victim in the case. So
Okay.
there's nothing to do except set it for a final pretrial on the 4th. He's going to bring a form in. I gave him my consent to sign my name. And unfortunately, Mr. Aiken is going to be, unless I can get in front of the judge and ask if he'd be willing to convert this to a personal bond, unfortunately, Mr. Aiken is going to be remaining custody because he doesn't have enough money to bond out.
All right. Hold on. If you want to go in front of the judge for a bond argument, we can.
I would prefer. Yeah, I think the judge should at least know that
Okay.
he's can't bond out and
All right,
he'll
it's
be
up.
there another week.
All right. So when Mr. Aiken comes on, I'll put you guys in a breakout room just so you can explain it to him. And then
All right.
once you're done, then we'll go in front of the judge.
I appreciate it, Heather. Thank you.
Yep.
We're all set.
So what are we going to do? Are we going
We're
for
gonna hold the
exam?
exam.
Hold the exam next week?
What do we got?
That's my understanding. Yeah. Let me double check. I have a. Let me just double check my notes.
Okay.
Yeah, we're all set on Cody, so we'll hold it on the 4th.
So August
Hold
4th.
on.
Yep.
I'm just re-verifying because the calendar for the attorney just got updated.
Oh, just let them know that you're here for your hearing.
I know it's a deal.
Okay, will do.
All right. Thanks. Have a good day.
It's all right. I
Okay,
remember
you
most
too.
of it.
Bye-bye.
We don't have digital on any of it.
Joe, while you're in there, will you grab and cross off COTE? You're the victim on the Morgan case, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room. And then who's your attorney?
Starr.
Thank you. Good morning, Trovius.
Good morning. How's it going?
Alrighty, how you doing?
I'm all right.
All right. Van Buren has not jumped on yet, so it'll just be a few minutes.
Hey, Heather, you still there?
I am.
They'll email me, right?
Yes, I'm almost positive they email you the information, which they should have already done because the file's already up here.
Oh, really? Maybe it went to my spam.
Yeah, it would have came from Marlisa.
I just got it at
Yep.
9:01.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay.
Alex, I know there's two that are in custody, but I think it's going to take a while because we're still waiting for one to speak to MIDC. So I don't, if you want to turn off your camera, you're more than welcome to because you're kind of making me dizzy. But thank you. But I'll let you know.
Aiken?
No.
Miller, you said. Tell her to start putting her name at the top of the plea agreement, then I'll know who she is.
Oh, I was.
Good morning. Thank you.
Your Honor, I have to tell you, we have an actual result this matter today. Ms. Miller is going to plead guilty to this charge. No, not that is from that person.
All right. Miss Miller, did you discuss your rights and options with your attorney? Did you understand your rights and the options those rights give you today? Do you understand the possible penalty for no valid operator's license? Are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? Did you drive a vehicle at or near the airport on March 13, 2024? And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I will accept your plea to the added charge, dismiss the original charge. What should I know before I sentence Miss Miller?
Your Honor, unfortunately, there is no driving record in the file, but I have explained to Ms. Miller how to go to the Secretary of State.
Good.
Get her driving record, figure out what she's got out there. I do know that the court file here contains a no proof of insurance from, I think, 2021. I'm
Yep.
sure that's keeping her from having a valid.
Yeah. Yep.
And she does have my number.
We got a lot of stuff you owe money on.
She owes this court $8 ton.
You owe anybody else? Any other courts?
I just don't know where.
Have you ever had a ticket in Livonia? Okay, I'll check it out because Livonia just sent us an email that says they're doing an amnesty program. So, yeah, Avery's supposed to be posting notices around our building today. So now's the time to go see him because you might be able to get out without late fees and penalties. Okay. When's the last time you worked? Have you been off work for a while?
No, I've been working right now. I've been working.
Okay. Okay. I had the impression it was a new job. All right. So one of the things you can do on the $2,000 that you owe us, I haven't sentenced you on this one. We'll get to this one. On the $2,000 you already owe us, if you go down and talk, at the front counter, talk to Mr. Taylor about payment options, we might be able to do some kind of a deal where you do some community service hours and pay some money and we're taking care of your debt quicker. Okay, but I need you to do something, put a plan in place. So when you walk out of here, we know what your intentions are on that $2,000. Okay. All right. Anything before I sentence today? Did he swallow a fly or something? All right, let's see. All right, I'm gonna waive some late fees on this. You got $100 worth of show cost fees and $50 worth of warrant costs. I'm not gonna hit you with those. Fines and costs on the file, $500, and I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program. The work program, let me go back. The $500, add that into your $2,000 that you owe, and then you can work some kind of a deal on everything. Okay? The work program, we assess work program as an alternative to jail. We run the program 7 days a week. You pick which days you want to work. The days you pick, you got to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Questions? All right, good luck with your license. And when she offered to help you with your license, take her up on it. If you get your driver.
Taylor, Your Honor?
Yep.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Now I gotta put this on the agreement, Bill. I thought that was me.
Nope, I got it. I got it.
Thank you, Bill.
Yeah, I know.
We just got a notice yesterday they're doing amnesty. I don't know the details.
Yeah, exactly.
That's a good way to close files too. Are you on Aiken? I've got a file up here, but no.
That's me, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Oh, it's Zoom. Aiken, is that you in jail?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I've already got a cigarette.
What is saying that he's like, well, it's a thing,
So is he.
So they're gonna break up. So that's why he had to speak to his client, and they're gonna adjourn it for next week, but he wants to argue bond. I mean, make sure Jay is out. Yeah. How far do you want to go out?
Yeah, we'll do.
That us.
No, but I mean, that's right.
Oh, we did.
Is she?
Was this Mohammed or?
Can you put Mr. Starr in a breakout room with Mr. Davis? I love that jacket.
Is that?
I love that jacket.
Thank you, sir. I did need a little more color, brightened up a little bit.
Mr. Granada, are you ready on Aiken.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's get him out of the breakout room. All right. Appearances on the People versus Aiken.
Peter Granata, P78413, MIDC counsel for Mr. Aiken.
I understand we're setting this for a final pretrial next week.
Yes, Your Honor. I'd also like to make a bond argument.
Okay, give me just a second. So that's going to be the 4th.
Yes, sir.
All right. Currently, the bond is, according to what I'm reading, 5,000, 10%. No
That's my
contact
understanding.
with Shanda Roberts and Kimberly Newton, and do not return to 131 South Ponderosa Trail. Okay. All right. Go ahead and make your argument, sir.
Your Honor, Mr. Aiken has been incarcerated since, I believe, around July 2nd. And we believe, based on information and belief and contact with his relatives, that that the complainant in this case is not going to appear, not going to press charges. We would ask the court to reconsider the cash bond and allow Mr. Aiken out on a personal bond. Same amount. He is definitely going to appear because he wants the case dismissed. He wants to resolve the case.
I got bodies trapped.
Yeah, I have to.
No, that's all right. Just want to make sure you know. All right, let me give prosecutor a chance to respond.
I'll just leave it up to the court's discretion. I don't understand. I listen to being a lot.
Have you had any contact with the victims?
No. Had a chance to really dive into that.
Okay, but I mean, nobody showed up last week to talk to you that you know of. All right. Did Mr. Aiken have a job before he went in custody?
Yes, sir.
Where were you working, sir?
I work for Blue Line Irrigation. It's in Madison Heights.
How long have you been with Blue Line?
Since the beginning of this season, so since April.
Where'd you work before Blue Line?
I worked for Lakeside, a different irrigation company.
Been in that business for a while?
13 years, sir.
All right. I'll change it to a 5,000 personal. All the other
Thank you,
conditions are
Judge.
the same. Mr. Aiken, you understand those conditions?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $5,000 if you violate bond?
Yes, sir.
That means if you screw up on those bond conditions, you're back where you are right now.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank
Mr.
Thank you,
Granata.
Judge.
Anybody else at the jail?
Thank you, Peter.
Thank you, Devin.
Mr. Aiken,
Yes.
could you tell the deputy we're ready for Mr. Clark?
Yep.
Yes, hello. Who do we have?
If you ever spill something on it, you just
I want to know what that image is. I recognize that image. I don't know who it is. I thought it was. You'll have to tell me the significance for you. Not right now.
Yes.
That's all right. Ben Clark. What's he doing?
Dear.
Yeah, it's all right. I trust him. Wayne County, can you hear us?
Yes, I can. I got Mr. Tackett that's here also. Mr. Clark is en route to us.
That's all right. That's all right. We can deal with that.
Okay, so I'll get Mr. Tackett in the seat right now.
Perfect. Thank you. Also for Alex.
Yep.
Mr. Weinberg, did you discuss a date? Pick a Tuesday. Adjourn. You're just adjourning the PCC or you want to set an exam?
I'd like to adjourn.
Yeah. Your appearance for Smith.
Want me to put on the record?
Yeah.
Scott Weinberg, P45874.
Okay.
So,
You want to go off record?
yeah, well, I just explain what.
Alex, I'm showing you in a breakout room with Mr. Tackett.
Okay.
Thanks. You will be my clerk or you must follow my.
They'll go out 2 weeks.
2 weeks for another PCC.
PCC.
Set the, can we do it on the 18th one because I'm gonna be icing? No way, for the solar.
I think so. I don't know, but I think I heard she was going to ice them.
I'll text her and see.
Yeah, text her.
That's the most.
It's gonna be on the 18th at 9:30 with Judge Patton.
Continue bond, all right?
Thank you.
No problems there?
All right.
This guy,
You talking to me or Heather? Go ahead.
so this guy got wound over on 2 charges, 2 were dismissed.
Hold on. Didn't I hear that Tina was going to ice?
Yeah, September.
Yeah.
Yeah, so is he. So is Scott Weinberg for the eclipse.
But he's going out.
2 weeks. So,
Well,
oh yeah.
That's right, he didn't scout it out for. All right, so this guy got bound over.
So on 2 charges, but they didn't address count 5, which is a double penalty.
I don't know what that means.
I didn't know either, but
3, 4, 5. No, it was between.
no, that's countable, that's under, keep reading down, I know, it's very confusing. So habitual, he said this is not.
That's not a.
He said it's not habitual, but some offenses have it, see right here?
Yeah, so
The
that's
double
count 4.
penalty.
That shouldn't be count 5. That's count 4 still. See count 4. That's.
We made it a count. See, look here, we have 4 is there.
Yeah, that's the count 4, which should.
What are you looking at? He's got 5, he's the RLA.
Yeah,
Our,
we entered.
It's complaint warrant, guys.
Yeah.
So if there's 4 counts on the complaint warrant, but there's 4 counts.
I just dismissed that one, well, how do we get that double penalty thing in there?
This needs to be changed to this, to that code. Instead of that code.
That's all I-
Just change this back from June 23rd, do a C and change, be count specific, change it to this code. We'll have to, we have to dismiss this.
So can I do it after I already found it over?
You should be able to, yes. You can just change it, yes.
Yeah.
You can just change that and then we'll just have to dismiss this.
Dismiss this. and put
Dismiss
this-
and put down that should never,
Put this code in for
Yeah.
this.
actually, this should probably be removed. Or at least can, I think, I don't know if they can delete or just remove that one count. I don't know how that works because I don't have that control.
Gotcha.
Because like this just needs, that just needs to be changed to that. This, you need to ask Marlisa
Because
if we need to remove.
The attorney's saying
that.
he's not, this doesn't apply to him, double penalty, but they're saying it does. So this is a fight for downtown, not
The
me.
complaint and warrant. is done.
Yeah, I agree, okay.
Why is Rivian's on Zoom? Oh, maybe it's just not on. Oh, do we have anybody? There they are. I'm gonna throw you.
Yeah, we're all set on Mr. Davis.
Oh, are you? Okay, Van Buren's back on.
Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Devon Davis.
Good morning, Your Honor. Trovia Starr on behalf of Mr. Davis.
Would you
Mr.
waive
Dave, did you get
formal
your name?
reading?
Devon Davis.
Thank you.
Counsel, would you waive
We
formal
stand
reading?
mute. Yes, we stand mute, waive the formal reading.
Thank you. I'm having trouble. Your audio is kind of spotty. All right, we're looking at a probable cause conference date for August 11, 2026. That's going to be with, we're scheduling an exam for August 18 with Judge Martin as well. Let's talk about bond. Have you seen the bond recommendation?
Yes, Your Honor, I saw the bond recommendation was $10,000, 10%. My client has 4 of the following. He's father of 8 children and 5 of them reside with him. The other 3, they come to him on the weekends. He works for Please Move Me, which is a organization related to the VA hospital, where they help move veterans and help repair their houses. He's been doing that for about a good 5-6 years. He does have a record. He informed me that most of his record was when he was a juvenile, and that he actually did prison time when he was a juvenile. I know they're charging him with an habitual 4th offender notice, and I believe just one of those was when he was an adult, 2013. Your Honor, he informs me that right now he's low on cash, just paid rent, just paid child support. If a personal bond is out of the question, He has about $200 for bond, and we were asked if to satisfy any court's concern to give him a tether if you think that's warranted.
Once again, your audio's a little spotty. He can afford how much?
$200. Let me disconnect from Wi-Fi. One moment.
Okay, that's fine. Morning, counsel. Just wake Joe up. He'll talk to you. Wake him up. That's all right.
Same wake him up. Yeah, you're just gonna wait for them to put him on.
Okay.
And then, but I'll throw you.
All right, you want to try that, Mr. Starr?
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Oh, yeah, that's better. Yeah, so far, at least. Okay.
Yes, he has about $200 to post for bond.
Okay. He's got a lot of non-appearances on his record. I got FTAs out of Taylor, Ipsy, Brighton, Westland, Allen Park. Do you know what those warrants are for, Mr. Starr?
I believe
those are all for driving.
Hold on, Mr. Davis. Let your attorney talk.
I believe those are all for traffic related matters, driving license suspended, no insurance, things of the like.
I may have to break away, but I wanted to at least talk with you.
Thank you. Sorry about that, Mr. Starr.
No, it's okay.
Okay, Mr. Starr, I can't do a personal bond on this.
Okay.
He's got too many FTAs. I'm just gonna set a straight 10,000, 10%. So we're gonna do his PCC at 8:30. Mr. Davis, you understand your bond?
Yes.
Your Honor, what's the case number here?
Mr.
Okay,
Davis,
thank you.
just to let you know, you also owe $450 on a double parking from 2023. Looks like you got a bad habit of not taking care of your business. You should fix that. All right.
All right.
Good luck, Mr. Davis. Mr. Starr, we'll keep you posted on anything new coming in.
Okay, do you want me to log off or just or what?
Either way, you can hang out right there, just mute yourself, or you can log off. We'll call you.
Okay, thank you.
Ignatius, are you ready?
You're discovered.
Yes.
This one
All right.
is.
Tackett. Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Tackett, please.
Thank you, not made with Defender Series, 87455.
Mr. Tackett, can you hear us okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. What are we doing today?
We are setting this matter for a preliminary examination.
All right, we're currently scheduled for August 4th. Does that still work?
That still works fine.
Okay, got it set at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. All right, anything else?
If you would request a reduction in.
But hold on, Joe. Kaplan or Mohammed, I need him in here to talk about bond.
Okay.
On Scott Tackett. Hold that argument just for a minute, counsel. Well, his device is on anyhow.
His computer on the right.
Okay. Good morning, fellas.
We're both here, Judge.
You want to talk about bond from there? That's all right with me. On Scott Tackett?
Or I can come in. Do you prefer that, Judge?
Oh, I don't care. Either one. Whatever's easier on you guys. You're pretty busy. I know that. So what I've got on this file, ROA shows 20,000, 10% GPS tether for location. Counsel, make your argument.
Your Honor, Mr. Tackett is currently incarcerated in Wayne County Jail. He has got a hold for a BOP, which is scheduled for today, remark with Judge Van Houten.
Hold on just a minute. We've been having trouble with our mics. Can you guys hear counsel as he's talking?
No.
So I was
We
afraid
heard
of.
you. We hear you though, Judge.
All right, try the other mic. We've been having trouble with all of them this week, but try that. Yeah. That's all right. Did you hear that? One of you guys come in here then, sorry.
I'm coming in, Judge.
I'll come with these. And that way I can have.
Sorry about that, guys. The mics are just crap this week. Now you can make your arguments.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Tackett is currently in Wayne County Jail. He's got a $20,000 10% bond here. He got remained from the Third Circuit. With that now, is the judge on the COP. He resides at the same address and he's got the same phone number. His parents live there. He was legally employed and is clearly arrested on this. If he's out, obviously that would help him satisfy conditions of probation as well. We just leave the court's judgment. We asked for a personal bond, maybe 50,000. We have the tether conditions, all of that. Even house arrest outside of work. And 10,000%. Anything that would give Mr. Tackett an opportunity to get out.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Stephen Kaplan on behalf of the people. Your Honor, I've had a chance to review his criminal history, and it's not substantial in terms of the gravity of the case. It's the number of cases which might be concerning. He gained and he's continuing to commit crimes. They mainly listen to me here. It's like assault and battery, Judge. Our case is concerning because it's a fleeing and eluding. Your Honor, I've been a judge for many, many years. Knows that can be a dangerous crime. So we would leave the issue to some discussion.
Mr. Tackett, where were you working before you were incarcerated?
I was working for Chrysler. So it was the Stellantis.
How long had you been there?
A year and a half.
All right. All right, I'm going to leave all the bond conditions as is. I'm going to change the $20,000, 10% to $20,000 personal. That means you're giving me a $20,000 IOU. If you screw up on bond, you're going back to jail. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $20,000 if you screw up?
Yes, sir.
So stay out of trouble, show up for court. You're not going to be released without a GPS tether for location. That'll be house arrest, basically.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any clarification necessary?
As long as you can leave the hospital or your own.
That's what I have in mind. Okay. All right. Good luck, sir.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
Clark.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Switch to Clark.
Mr. Tackett, if you could tell the deputy we're ready for Mr. Clark, please. Thank you.
Okay.
All of this Reagan's know.
That would be helpful. Thank you. Joe, I got 2 plea agreements. I have no idea if they're attorney or not. No name. McKinney.
McKinney is on Zoom and the attorney's on.
Who's the attorney for McKinney?
They're in a breakout. Forget it.
How about Evanoff? Evanoff? Counsel, your appearance?
Was on the court guards and, 749, to bring on the witness of, who's present to my right, please state your name for the record.
Yeah, that's my love.
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to meet speak with this matter, my client, attempted to try and obtain a psychiatric evaluation as per the court order that was entered by Judge Martin on this matter. My client was unable to do so without a copy of the court order. So prosecutor and I had agreed to adjourn this to one final pretrial conference in order to allow my client to comply with the judge.
Okay, so how much time you want? Any Tuesday works for us.
You said any Tuesday?
Yep.
How about the evening, spotters?
Yep.
Judge Patton.
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, I understand we're just going to adjourn this for 2 weeks.
Yes, there was some video discovery that was just tendered, and I proposed a resolution to Mr. Muhammad that he's considered.
Go ahead and put your appearance on.
May it please the court, Your Honor, my name is Adam Clements. My P number is 77233. I appear on behalf of Mr. McKinney, who's also present, Judge.
Counsel, how about August 11th at 10:30 by Zoom?
Make it work, Judge. That's fine.
Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. McKinney, you owe us money on some other files. Know about that?
No, I do not. I just know that.
All right, I got a 2022 speeding ticket from Rimulus. 2022 Rimulus impeding traffic, 2022 Rimulus improper passing, 22 Rimulus stop sign, and 22 Rimulus DWLS. Oh, the DWLS is coming up for a court date on September 11. So the first 4 civil infractions total $1,048. Are you working?
No, I can't work. I can't work.
When's the last time you worked?
It's been quite a while since I worked. I got shot a couple years ago. I haven't been able to work.
So it's been 3 years or more?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You're a local. Make arrangements to close these out. We got options that don't take money, but we got to have you step up to the plate and take care of them.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, counsel.
You.
All right. Thank you, Adam.
Have a good day, Mr. McKinney.
You too.
Somebody called you sir this morning? You see her comment?
Yeah.
So Leanne, what's it mean if they call me ma'am? Judge did get a haircut yesterday. Thanks for noticing.
Okay, it's 10,000, 10%. Oh, yeah. 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 100% of form. You will clarify.
Mhm.
And then saying,
Zang?
Attorney Hill is in with Mohammed. They're definitely put him in client. When I understand it's very difficult. It shouldn't. Quiet.
Who's that?
And then I'm gonna forward some emails.
You know why I adjourned this? Was this the one with a kid? She got all upset when I told her I had to have an order. Is this the same one?
Orders.
Well, that's right.
Quiet that don't.
Oh, I adjourned this because Mohammed wanted time to look into it.
Yes, and now he has no problem with it, so they just need to bring the girl in. I'm gonna send you emails on this person right here. I think she's a sovereign. She refuses to come in person, and I'm gonna send you the emails that we've been getting.
So
She
she's trying to
emailed
get,
late yesterday and
trying to
wanted,
get in Zoom?
late yesterday, she wanted Zoom.
Yeah, she hasn't tried to get in.
She has not,
Okay.
but, she emailed for Zoom. I did not answer it. You weren't here and it was late in the
Yeah.
day. And so then she emailed again today and was rambling.
Okay.
So I'm gonna send it.
That's fine. Hey, is there an Asia McKay out there? Call the name. If there is, send her in. Are you Miss McKay? Come on up. You filed all your paperwork to get some stuff set aside? Did you bring an order?
Did I bring an order like to set aside itself?
Yeah, an order for me to sign. Do you have the order that I need to sign? Because I don't draft orders.
I put it in the court a month ago, and I gave it to the court, yes.
Was the order part of what you filed?
Yes. It's like the application for the set aside.
The application isn't the order.
They told me to go on.
I know. I just had this problem a month ago with another young lady. All right, so the good news is the prosecutor's not objecting to what you want. The bad news is it can't happen until I sign an order. The news is the prosecutor's not objecting to what you want. The bad news is it can't happen until I sign an order.
How do I get an order from someone else?
It's a form you got to fill out, just like the form you fill out to start this. It's a form you fill out and you fill it all out and then I sign it and date it. All right? No, I mean, I'm here, so it's no big deal for me. Just means you got to come back again. Or you can email it to us.
Attorney, I'm doing this.
No, please,
Okay, well then you need to research. Yeah.
Yeah. We're going to help you out with an email address so you don't have to come back.
Yeah, if you just the downstairs contact us, she can email it to them.
Okay. All right.
Yep.
Yeah. I'm gonna set up a spot outside the courtroom and charge money back to orders. How are we doing today? I'm doing well, much better than I deserve. You got a warrant? Sure. Sure. Information, knowledge, and belief. All right, I'm on the bench today, so when I get a break, I'll take care of it. All right, yeah, be safe. No, I'm not, I can't say anything. It's just one of the comments I'm reading. I can't say anything.
Uh-oh, is it bad?
It's bad for you.
Okay, Judge. I read it.
I just can't say anything. Goodbye.
Oh, I agree. I agree 100%.
I mean, it's not a flow, but Danielle did a nice job. Are you out there causing trouble? What are you doing?
I'm scared. Talking to Joe. You don't see me slow. I get stacked because then I have this to do and that to do.
So one of our guys is catching crappie and watching live stream. Enough he's going home to clean them. I haven't had crappie in so long.
Mr. Hill, are you ready with your time?
We are.
Counsel, let me have your appearance for Ms. Zang.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ryan Hill, P68445 on behalf of Ms. Zang.
And what are we doing?
Judge, I believe this is an arraignment. We'll wait for him reading, stay on mute. I'd ask the court enter not guilty plea. I would also ask Judge to set this for a new date so I can talk to the prosecutor. I will address bond. And I would ask for a Mandarin interpreter. I think for today's purposes for arraignment, my client understands what's going on, but I would make that request.
All right, well, if we're going to talk bond, I got to get a prosecutor in here.
Okay. No problem.
Now, try it. Because there's nobody in the courtroom talking. Counsel, pretrial date, 1 week out, 2 weeks out, what are you thinking?
2 weeks if you could, please. No, Ms. Zang, no, don't say anything
Mr.
yet,
Mohammed,
okay?
are you there?
Okay.
Yes, Judge, I'm here. I'm sorry, I was speaking to counsel.
No problem. Counsel wants to make an argument on bond for Ms. Zang. She's been arraigned today. The bond recommendation from the department has no objections to a personal bond, and let me confirm, I don't think they had any requests for special conditions.
I'm sorry, Judge, could I have 2 minutes to review the file?
Sure.
Thank you.
He has a way of sending her a notice of will here, and she lives in China.
The Berkeley address is Airbnb. All right, counsel, Heather's informed me that the Berkeley Avenue address we have for Miss Zhang is an Airbnb. Does that
That's
work if
correct.
we mail her a notice?
No, it'd have to be sent to my office if the court would allow that. She's back in China
No
and
problem.
her visa's been revoked as well, Judge. So that's the issue we have.
Yeah, no problem. We'll mail it to you.
Okay.
August 11, 8:45.
No problem.
Mr. Kaplan, are you here to talk about bond for Zhang?
Yes, Your Honor.
So she's actually back in China. Counsel, Mr. Hill has informed me that her visa has been revoked. Do you have any objection to a personal bond?
No, Your Honor. Not on the.
All right, we've got her scheduled for another pretrial on August 11 at 8:45 in the AM with Judge Martin.
Yep, got it.
All right, counsel, I'll just set her on $1,000 personal bond and we'll have a Mandarin translator here next time around.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Judge.
Have a good day.
Take care.
What do you got?
Randy Toombs, Your Honor.
Toombs, T-O-O?
I have it right here, Judge. He was supposed to come in with his calendar.
It's August 11th.
I don't know. Okay. I think it seems.
August 11th, I have 10 a.m.
Sounds great.
All right, I will.
You're all right, Mr. Clark. We're just waiting till we get all the attorneys in the room.
Okay.
Mr. Mohammed. Yeah, we gotta have him in person though. Counsel, what are we gonna do today?
Mr. Leckie's anyways.
Oh, it is? Oh, great. We've currently got an exam scheduled next week. Does that work for you? On the 4th at 1 p.m.? All right, so let's just leave the exam as is and talk about bond. Mr. Leckie, this is your file? All right, so currently bond is 100,000, 10%, no contact, no release without GPS tether. We agreed? That's what the ROA says? All right, go ahead.
Yeah.
You can hear us all right, Mr. Riggins?
I
Mr.
can't
Clark,
really
you can hear
hear.
us all?
No, not that good.
Okay, so far all I've got is the attorney's names on the record.
Okay.
And the fact that your exam is going to be next Tuesday at 1 p.m. You got that?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm having a lot of trouble with my courtroom audio this week, so I'll try to translate. If you can't hear, I'll let you know what we're saying.
Okay, thank you.
I haven't done the guidelines. I imagine the guidelines would be very well, possibly probation. He did have more, really not that deep. There is a firearm that's got busted on in 2025, that he's already served time on that. Other than that, you know, this is not a case where I can see how a $100,000 bond is. I do know there are allegations of former girlfriend, but I know this charge never came to fruition. She said that didn't happen. He never had a gun. He never held her cat. You know, based off of what I see, my client was, this was argument that that came out of hand, and next thing you know, there was a bunch of SWAT cars at this house. Client became scared, did not want to come out of the house because there was guns pointed at him. But nevertheless, yeah, my client does not have to play for peer history. My client has family, community time. He was working prior to this. He was working for a bottle manufacturer. Unfortunately, he does not remember the name of the bottle manufacturer. He intends to get out and go back to work as soon as he gets out. You know, there's a tether provision. My client has no reason to be the ex-girlfriend. He's just asking that he can give him a personal bond where he can go stay with his family and appear in court and fight the case.
Mr. Leckie.
Given the original arraignment and this argument in front of the mark, we set the original bond. At that time, we laid out the facts that he was a threat to police presence that was there. He stated the female complaining witness, the incident partner, came out after that time, and then after a month of time later, the defendant came out. Now, he did threaten to shoot officers, and there's camera footage that the news picked up of him almost like grappling with SWAT as he's being taken out of the building. wrapping his legs around one of their heads, pulling them down. He came to the anger, police to the community, listen to police officers. We also do believe something when this was rated before, and I've been unable to contact her from this police unable to contact her. It's a very fearful situation that we're all in. So therefore, Your Honor, because of the Atlantic machine, circumstances of the Atlantic machine, facts that we have on the record, I think a bond is appropriate.
Yeah, go ahead.
He said something about they checked the house. There were no weapons. There were no guns. The girlfriend said there were no weapons. And this isn't where she was with him and looking at him and said, oh, I better say the right thing. They had her in a car with the police, talking to the police freely. She said, nope, he never told me I could not leave. Nope, he never had a weapon. So I understand that there may have been some talk back and forth with police. He may have said that. He never had a weapon. He never threatened her. She came out and said, she's not here because I looked at the body cam footage. It is very clear she did not want to move forward with the case. So much so, she thought they were crushing her. She told them, I need to talk to my own attorney. So I think it's a little disingenuous to say that she feels threatened when she was really annoyed. But nevertheless, Your Honor, again, the top charge here is a 2-year felony. I don't think that it's appropriate to have a $100,000 bond based off a 2-year felony. Again, this man is working. He wants to, he has a story he wants to tell.
Anything else?
So, body camera search does say that he physically captured her, physically locked her in, was pushing her inside the room, held up a sign that said help. Whereas the police officers came in her cover, and she was, at one point, the negotiator does, I clearly need, I'm not saying he needs to use the wires, but she does say during those 3.5 hours that she was kept in the room, forced there, felt afraid to come out. And eventually had to sneak out when the benefits of the bathroom or another. So I'll leave it. And again, there's no facts here that are linked to what the bond was set at. So I think the bond is appropriate here.
Okay, thank you, gentlemen. No doubt, 100,000, 10% is a pretty high bond on this, but we usually don't have SWAT involved on these types of cases either. I'm gonna leave the bond as is. It's only 1 week. Thank you, gentlemen. Are we done or we got somebody else to jail?
And this is for Tuesday?
Mr. Clark, yeah, I'm leaving your bond as is. Your court date, next court date is next Tuesday at 1 p.m. When you talk to the deputy, would you tell them we're ready for Mr. Slade, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, not to get on in custody.
Good. So that number you've got is now my wife's cell number. That's all right. That's all right. The one, did this one just come up on your phone? All right. Yeah, this is my cell. So what do you got? All right. So as soon as that's going to be our problem. So as soon as you have an idea when you're going to have the paperwork to us. Yeah. Okay. So just give us a heads up as soon as you have an idea when the paperwork's going to be ready. All right. All right. Okay. Bye-bye. They got a CSC in custody that Patricia's got the paperwork right now, but they don't think it's gonna happen in the time next hour or so. So would you gonna bond us to just kind of?
Yes, Marley, so she heard you. She's.
Oh, Marlise, are you there?
Yes.
So I just talked to Huron Township. They've got an in-custody felony arraignment that they want to do because the guy's got a bunch of medical issues. They want to get him out of their holding. So Patricia Mandrack has the paperwork. They're sure it's coming today, but they're not going to get it in the next hour. So can you kind of just float the idea with MIDC? Can we get somebody available this afternoon if we need them?
I'll contact Mr. Starr and see if he'll be available, and then if not, then I'll.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
If you can, we're going to have a in custody Wayne County. Well, he's not on yet. I mean, as long as he's. We will, yes, yes.
I want to do that slate so we get Kimberly.
Josh? county, so you can do what you're doing until you see that county put him in a chair.
Okay. Didn't you just tell me to watch the chair for that one?
That's why I wanted you in the breakout room. Yeah, to watch the chair. So you just keep working and doing what you're doing until they put somebody in there.
Oh, okay. I was just in that one by myself. I think I didn't wait long enough. Okay.
He's in there now. Or they are.
Mr. Starr,
Hey, you guys just called me?
would you be available this afternoon for a late arraignment?
What time?
We don't know. We're waiting on the department to get the paperwork back from the prosecutor's office.
I can try. It'll be a Zoom, right?
Yes, it would be Zoom.
Yeah, I have an exam at noon.
Here,
No, in Washington County.
work and everything ready. I'll send it to you. And if you're not available, just reply you're not available.
Okay, sounds good.
Find somebody else. Okay?
Okay. Oh, I'll try my best to be available.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I can log off again or no?
Yes, you can log off. I don't have it.
The name matters. I'm like, it looks really familiar. Can you hear me, Heather?
Yep, I can.
Okay, so Mr. Ryan Slay, I just talked to the deputy. Mr. Slay is not in custody. He is supposed to physically be at the Wayne County Circuit Court right now. But they said that they have something down with their system and they can't verify if he showed up for court, but they don't physically have him.
Fine, hang on with them.
I'm sorry? Man, it's weird. It's breaking. The audio is breaking up really bad. I got some kind of like line that's bouncing through the screen too. It's weird. Like on the main.
Yep, I see that.
I can hear you fine now. It was breaking up a second ago though. That was weird. Okay. So did you catch that part though that they said they don't have him?
Yep, I'll just reschedule.
Okay, thank you.
If you want to kick them, or did they already leave?
I think he may have logged out entirely.
That's fine. Thank you.
You betcha.
Just James, this is the final law. They say he's not going to be competent. Why are you? They just got the first one.
Because whenever they only do it for two 90 days, and then it's on the prosecutor to do a civil commitment. We dismiss our case and they have to take our road.
So this part of this makes sense. Because
The prosecutor has to do the thing on it. We can't dismiss it, it's still the prosecutor.
okay, so we
Nothing?
all right, so we have to get that.
Yeah.
Yeah, Father, we.
Thank you. Go ahead, Counsel.
They need to for PCC. I understand that there was a PCC.
But let's talk money. Says here you owe us money on an impeding traffic from 2022. Did you know that? All right, can you make some arrangements on it? Can you do something before you leave? Okay.
You're staying on this case, or is Mr. Land staying?
Mr. Land.
Okay, it's gonna be 2 weeks, is August 11th. I have 10:45 and it'll be by Zoom.
Who do you want me to scratch while I'm here?
Fuller.
Fuller, F-U-L? How?
Should I next door probably printed it?
Well, to the library. Good for her.
Last name on this? Oh, I see it now. Oh.
Well, I've got two ready to go. Fuller, who we're waiting for the attorney, and Dickerson, we're waiting for the attorney. So if you want to start this going on Fuller.
Like 7411.
Yeah. You gotta love Kaplan giving you all the MCLs.
Yes.
Is that use of poker?
Ecstasy.
Mr. Fuller? Oh, damn it. Why are you in here? I don't have paperwork for you. You on Morgan? Okay. Okay. Who you got? So they're gonna add account? Is that what they're doing? All right, and you have authority to do that?
Yes, sir.
Your appearance?
No more.
All right, I'll accept the plea on his behalf. Fines the cost $290. How much time do you to get his money in? All right, you're all set. Have a great day. Oh, counsel. He's got a bond posted. Don't worry about it.
The bottom 290?
Yep. File. Morgan. Nope, let me see what you got. Can you pass Morgan? Yeah, we got a speeding ticket and a traffic control device, total 545. All right, the Sumter one is from 2024. That one's way too old. What can you do on the $294 for Sumter? Oh, you got a payment due August 10th. Set aside the default on that one. And just set it. So what we'll do is we'll set aside the default, set it for a formal hearing. That way you can come in, there'll be a prosecutor, you can talk to the prosecutor.
I have to call on the courtroom. for
Oh,
days.
so we'll just mail it to him?
Yeah.
All right, we'll mail you a notice on that one. All right, well, I got Mr. Morgan's file on my podium, so come on up, Mr. Morgan. That's fine. I don't care. Appearances. We need a date for jury trial, correct?
That's correct.
Okay, well, we're looking for another one. Mr. Nemeth, can you activate your mic? What's the charge? Oh, something stupid. Yeah, let's try it. Mr. Nemeth, thank you. What's it? You got October 1?
The October 1st?
Counselors, are you available October 1?
Yes, sir.
I have to make it work.
Okay, so we'll confirm with Mr. Nemeth. All right, Mr. Morgan, just have a seat for a minute. Mr. Dickerson, come on up. Counsel your appearance for Mr. Dickerson. All right, I've got a plea agreement that says Mr. Dickerson's going to plead no contest to both count 1 and count 2, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. Count 3 will be dismissed. Both, please.
All right, Mr. Dickerson, do you understand your rights and the options those rights present to you today? Do you understand the possible penalty for assault and battery? Understanding that, are you pleading no contest? Do you understand that no contest? You're literally saying, Judge, I'm not fighting those charges. If I find a factual basis that supports the plea, from that point forward, it's going to be just like there was a guilty plea, there'll be a sentencing. Do you understand that? Guilty and guilty and no contest meet at the same place. We're heading towards sentencing. Do you understand that? All right, I'm trying to explain something to me and you're talking to her. How's that going to work?
It just occurred to me, who's staying, wait, who's staying? No, okay, yeah, I have.
We do have Mr. Nicely, he's one of the victims here in the courtroom today.
Okay, which is great information, but doesn't help me take the plea.
What is?
Do you understand that no contest and guilty both lead to a sentencing? No, answer my damn question. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yes or no? Okay, counsel, you can talk to him when I'm done with the next one. We're not doing this while I've got other things to do. He told me he doesn't understand, so obviously it needs some massaging. Did we get the victim on? Nemeth, are you there?
But the victim advocate advised me that he did not answer the phone call, so we're prepared to proceed without.
All right, so Nemeth or Morgan is going to be October 1 at 8:30. We'll get paper notices to that effect.
Wait, do more. Wait, right here. I need to pay.
I need attorneys. There is no afternoon docket this afternoon, Leanne, just that possible arraignment that's coming in. Which probably won't be me. Back on the record with Dickerson? Okay,
Yeah, a jury trial.
okay.
Is September 17th.
What was the date?
It's September 17th.
Well, we better check with Mohammed.
Mark was out, I'm sure I can do it.
Yes, Mohammed is. Okay.
I don't know about,
Yeah, either bring.
We're checking.
Sorry.
No problem. That's why they pay me the big bucks. What's up, Joe? Smile for the camera. It's the other Joe.
Joe's is very confusing.
Mr. Mohammed, on the Michael Dickerson file, jury trial, September 17th?
Judge, is it possible to set it in October by chance?
All right, October 29, 8:30 in the morning, bond is continued. Have a lovely day. Mr. Dickerson, have a seat. We'll get you a paper notice. I'm not finding the files.
I did one for I mean, should we ask Johnson since he's in custody? I mean, is he in custody and us?
But he's in there for a probation violation.
Yeah, personal, okay. So 8:18, is it a?
Joe, did you know him?
Oh, yeah. I know.
Cool.
Sounds good, thank you.
We might. I mean, I already have you that day at 9:30.
I guess it was go to MIDC.
So just see the MIDC.
I mean, I'm fine taking it, but they may say,
They bring him in this.
it's Paul. Last name, sorry. Randall, thank you. Come on, Randall. That's how you miss none. I realize that will be about sold now. Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Josh Hadley, appearing on behalf and with my client, Mr. Randall. Please state your claim for the record, sir. Ronzie Dixon Randall.
Thank you.
From where
You say that fast like it's one name. Ronzie Dixon. Go ahead.
We're good, Your Honor. I believe there was any warrants or recalls.
Nope.
We're essentially waiving the arraignment.
Easy peasy. Yeah, you're gonna plead.
Going to be just
Yep.
responsible careless driving. Just need to get
Yeah.
it down, so.
That's the way you want to do it? All right, misdemeanor is dismissed. Fines and costs, $195. Go downstairs and pay it or make arrangements to get it paid. You're welcome so much. That's Mr. Ronzie Dixon Manuel.
So I think the last 3 or 4 will all come at the same time. I just need my.
We're here. We're here. Boone? I got a victim online, I think. Oh, I saw somebody here. Oh, Miss Hyman. Hyman? I don't know how you say it. Charlotta. Mr. Leckie, your parents.
Good morning, Your Honor. I think it's my team coming out and have.
All right, we've got a file here set for a pretrial, I think, right? Okay, Mr. Boone was scheduled to be here at 9:30 this morning for a pretrial. It's now 10:56. He has not appeared, so we're going to issue a show cause for him. You understand that, ma'am? Miss Hyman, you understand that?
Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor,
sort of.
Oh, we can explain it after, but Your Honor, I just want to make a record that Quentin Wentz has been here since 9:30, probably earlier. And has indicated that there are possible no contacts occurring, so we'll take that when we get there. Oh, and I do ask that she be excused if appropriate, the mass street trial will go.
All right, so I'm making a note in the file that the defendant failed to appear today, but the complainant was on Zoom and she has no contact complaints. So ma'am, the next court date will be, well, let's put it this way. The next court date, he'll probably be arraigned on the bench warrant, but you will not have to appear until there's a trial date. if there's a trial date. Understood?
He did try to attempt to contact me.
Yeah, we'll talk about that, okay? But we can't talk about
We gotta
that.
talk loud into the mic.
So, we'll talk about that, but we can't.
You said that he something about his contact fars me. Were you
Yeah.
saying that he in fact that he did try to attempt contact with me?
No,
'Cause I
no, the
did,
prosecutor
report that.
told me that there are some allegations that he may have tried to contact you. So the prosecutor will be talking to you about that at some later date. At this point, we're gonna send him a show cause, tell him he's got to show up here if he wants to avoid a bench warrant.
Okay, because I had proof on my phone and I sent
Okay,
it
the
to
prosecutor
Rick.
will talk to you about that. That today's not the date to talk about that. You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you.
So, Your Honor, Ms. Nunn, essentially is unaware of this matter, still pending. I do see the court records indicate she had paid off the civil infraction that occurred at the same time as this traffic stop. We've seen those before where, yeah, nobody realizes they paid half of that to take care of the, So once she realized that this is still outstanding, she killed herself, came to court. Accordingly, she does have valid insurance in the vehicle that she drives now. So looking back to this 2020 case, the people are going to dismiss the misdemeanor charge of no insurance. And we're going to tender a responsible plea to civil infraction of failure to have insurance on person.
All right. Ms. Nunn, is that the way you want to resolve this today? I will accept your plea to the civil infraction. I will assess fines a cost of $180 and I will dismiss the misdemeanor. Can you pay the $180 today?
Yeah.
Yeah, and this one we can actually suspend your license if you don't pay it. So just keep on your payments. And if you're having trouble making your payments, don't just hope we're gonna forget about you because the computer won't forget. Come on in and talk again. You're welcome, man. What are you here for? El Sharif? What time is it scheduled?
11.
Oh, you just got here a little early. Okay. No, that's fine.
Heather,
Yes.
I received an email from Huron.
Yes.
Telling me about the arraignment and
Yes.
the prosecutor's not gonna prove anything till after the meeting with Kids Talk, which is scheduled at 12:30 today.
So we'll do it in the morning.
Yeah, it says she'll approve the warrant after the Kids Talk, which is scheduled at 12:30 today.
We'll do what we can. I mean, if we get paperwork and we can find an attorney, we'll do it.
All right, that's what I'll reply
I
to
already
her.
talked to Judge Patton because I got a dentist appointment this afternoon.
It's the day of the dentist. I have one too.
We're talking about me swearing again. I don't remember swearing today. You got somebody?
11:30.
Who? Counsel, your parents.
Kyle Hesson on behalf of the defendant.
All right. And on behalf of the company, do you have authority to enter a plea? Are you entering that plea to the misload issued May 18, 26? That plea is responsible?
Yes, sir.
Fines it costs $450. Pay that today? Wonderful. Anything else? Good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alrighty, what are you in here for?
Okay.
What's going on?
Say.
I will in 2 seconds. I will have a second. Trying to put something in my calendar.
So for Monday, what you asked about is that's not for a conference, is it?
No, it's for Nashville in January.
Oh, I know.
This year?
Yes, the conference is 23rd, 23rd, and I gotta confirm with January.
So it is not, okay.
Yeah.
So that's what you're talking about making that Nashville?
Yeah,
For
that's all,
January.
that's the hotel reservation.
Okay, thank you.
You go to Robert's kind of swear home is the plate for that issue, but.
Mr. McKinney, do you have Fuller?
I do have Fuller and we can do him as soon as we take care of my client here. We're waiting on a second.
Who's Lewis?
Or is that next door?
That's probably next door. It was an exam.
Felony? I think it's next door.
Next door, okay. I don't know.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Okay, all right.
Yes, it is next door. Here, Mr. Agnostic, Mr. Agnostic, we grab this for me, please. Thank you, sir.
Wow. Yeah.
I mean, it takes forever.
Right, 'cause, I mean, I guess, yeah, because I mean, you figure what just random people just say and hey,
Right.
yes, okay, no.
It's gonna be great.
Wow, well, have a good day.
Yeah,
you too. I think I'll
One left out to the girl.
There was a couple out there. I'm not sure exactly.
All right. Mr. Hadley, what do you got?
Here. So you're right. We stand before the court, and reached a resolution that A, B, and C matter are all going to be original counts dismissed.
No, they're not.
He's pleading to the impeding. What, hey, you write it up from?
If I'm reading this correctly,
Second line, you say.
the file I've got today is a 2022 drove while license suspended. That's the A ticket. The B on that was an impeding traffic. Yeah, yeah. I don't even have the 2026 files up today. I've got one misdemeanor file from 2022, and we're not doing anything with civil infractions that are that old.
They're scheduled for August 13th at 11:30.
Good news is I'll just keep it right there.
Yeah, and then you have that form.
Bless you, Joe.
So you're gonna come back.
Heather, can you call me again?
Yeah. Oh, okay, yep, that's fine.
You're saying yes to me?
Uh-huh.
For sure, do. Do you see where you changed the mind on this person? We took a surety
Well-
bond.
If I didn't write anything, that doesn't mean I didn't change the bond, but I'm usually pretty good.
Yeah, it says, it's because it got changed, and she's like, did someone change it?
No, the 6250 is what the surety is of
Okay,
5,000.
She just wanted to make sure she was questioning.
Anil Sharif? Yeah, the offer was impeding traffic and the foul too close gets dismissed.
Getting ready to sign it and then I don't know what to do.
So he changed his mind?
Mind and said he's not allowed to offer it apparently.
Oh, because it's state police.
And I'm actually going to be requesting an adjournment because I'm uncomfortable with his demeanor right now.
Do you know if the trooper left?
No, he's here.
Okay, well, I'm not adjourning it because you don't like the prosecutor's attitude.
No, it's just the way he's approaching me is just really disrespectful.
I'm still not adjourning it because there's a personality conflict. But I've got a gap in my schedule. Let's hold it.
I'm ready.
Seat. Oh, I'll send for him. Just have a seat. Go get mom. Dismiss count one. Yeah, now that makes sense. All right. So did you discuss your rights with counsel?
Yeah.
You understand your rights and the options they present to you? Ladies? Do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge?
Yes.
Understanding all of it, are you pleading guilty to the added charge?
That'd be the allowing.
Yeah, okay.
That's all right. And you're doing so freely and voluntarily, is that correct? All right. Did you drive a vehicle on the date of November 2nd, 2022 in Van Buren Township?
Yeah.
And on that day, was your license either suspended, revoked, or denied? I will accept your plea to the added charge. I will dismiss the original charge.
Hey,
Yeah.
so once the.
Go on.
I'm not here.
Here, Van Buren Township. So shows us you owe $194 on that one. And from my reading of this, I'm 90% sure you clear that and we're not stopping you from getting a license, even though you got all these other pending files. So can you pay the $194 today?
I'll pay it right, guaranteed.
All right. Anything else before I sentence?
No, sir, just that he's.
Okay. All right, Mr. Harrison, on this file, because we've got some late fees, it's more than normal. It's $600 fines and costs. I'm assessing 4 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. We run that program 7 days a week. You pick which days you work. The days you pick, you got to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. So as to the $600 on this one, go downstairs and talk about your options. Questions? Counsel, are you ready on Fuller? Come on up, Mr. Fuller. All right, counsel, I've got a plea agreement that says that we're going to add a count, misdemeanor count of use of ecstasy and the felony count would be dismissed, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Sir, do you understand the possible penalty for that added charge?
Yes.
And did you discuss with your attorney what your rights and the options those rights give you? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty today freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
November 6, 2024, did you come in contact with Rimulus PD?
Yes.
And at that time, had you been using ecstasy?
Yes, Your Honor.
Satisfied, counsel?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
Felonies dismissed. I'd like to send you for a pre-sentence investigation, but I'll give you a chance to talk me out of it if you want to try.
I agree with you, but Mr. Fuller had just spent a year going through Monroe County's drug rehab program.
Good, good. So how long you been clean now?
It's saying, well, like honestly, like I got my family back, my family speaking to me, and everything is going good. Working.
And have you thanked the court staff? Love to hear those stories. All right, are you working?
Yes, sir.
Where at and how long? How long you been with them?
For 3 years.
Good. So they hung with you all through that process?
Yes, sir.
Good. You must be a good employee. All right. 12-month delayed sentence. You got to stay out of trouble. No new criminal charges. I'm not charging you any costs. That's my present to you for 1 year sobriety. Yes. No. Yeah, we might have a problem because I think it is a formal hearing. Mr. Mohammed, do we have an attorney here on Davis formal hearing? It said set for formal hearing. I'm like, it is.
Yes,
But you want to adjourn the formal hearing?
yes, it's a stipulation.
All right, counsel, your appearance for Mr. El Sharif. Okay, I can't do $50. I can't do. I can do $0.
I'll wait.
Okay. Because I got a $145 minimum. You sure? All right. Counsel, do you have authority to enter this plea? And are responsible as charged? And are you entering a plea to follow too closely?
Yes.
All right. Fines and costs are?
All right, so let me. I go grab the power, send it down.
That's weird. Follow too closely. And I get it, right? I get it. People are driving just.
So he's not on yet.
Well, that's fine.
You gave me my.
I send it 4911 and 56074.
There he is. There he is. I got him. I got him.
Yeah.
Counsel, I'm ready with Burton. Counsel, go ahead and put your appearance on.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning, Alexander Knotts, Neighborhood Defender Service, PA 7455. Burton, Mr. Burton, who is on Zoom. Will you please state your name for the record?
Eric Burton. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Burton. Mr. Burton, I understand that you are going to waive your preliminary exam today. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand the purpose for an exam?
Yes, sir.
You understand your rights and options? You've discussed those with your attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You understand that if we enter the waiver today, your next court date will be at the circuit court level, not at the district court level where I'm at.
Yes, sir.
Are you satisfied with the waiver, counsel?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
I'll enter the waiver. Your next court date is going to be August 11 at 9 a.m.
Okay, yes, sir.
Yes, please, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, I'm going to ask you to sign the waiver form
Latter.
after I'm done scribbling.
Did you say August 11th, sir?
August 11th.
Not at the moment, sir.
All right. You're good to go. Have a nice day.
You too, sir. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Mr. Fish, what?
They pulled the file. It's
Oh,
not
did they?
very.
Oh, okay. All right. I pulled Barry Hill because somebody said something about that file, but I don't know what it was now.
Because they're here, he's working with the prosecutors because he.
Yes, he was waiting for the tether discussion. Yeah. So I was told this weekend, somebody told me that I have my own sub channel on Law Nerds. I can't find it.
Your own channel?
Sub channel is what I called it. The internet's gonna get tired of me because there's nothing new lately. John was telling me yesterday, John and Sharon, when that they saw another one. I'm like, who was it? John said, I don't know, just one of those guys you were yelling at. And Sharon said, no, it was Mr. Purcell. I said, my God, that case is older than hell.
Just put that on.
What do you got?
This is Ron Folder, Your Honor.
Holder with an H?
Yes.
Come on up, Mr. Holder. All right, counsel, your appearance? What are we doing?
You have to adjourn it so that the company can hire an attorney or handle it themselves. Correct.
I don't have a company on a ticket. So the company's not gonna come in and represent Mr. Holder.
Well,
All these files are in the name of Ron Holder.
there's a Cleveland Switching Services, and there is a representative. So I am not a trucking expert.
Okay, hold on a minute, because your paperwork's not matching mine. Okay, but the ticket was issued to Mr. Holder. So Mr. Holder is the defendant.
We have an issue, but we had worked this out. Mr. Holder had, his medical had expired, he got it that day.
Okay,
Prosecutor's willing to dismiss that misdemeanor.
okay,
If there's a plea to responsible on the two civil infractions.
which is equipment. Are you the boss?
Yes, sir.
What's your name, sir?
Phil Hammond.
When you say you got something from the department, what did you get?
Got that one there, and then we.
Okay, no, you didn't get this ticket. He got these tickets. Okay,
And then we also got a citation from Michigan State Police about the issues that are on the ticket.
where's your citations?
That's what we're getting adjourned for. We're gonna bring it back in because I don't have it on me. I just ran up here when I heard what was going on.
Okay, so it sounds like two different entities got charged with the same thing. Is that what you're thinking?
Yes.
Go ahead. No, that's all right. Go ahead. But until I got the other file, I don't know.
What's
Well, let's hold on. Let me see if we got it in your computer. No, well, but I don't want to take care of these files and then have your files pop up. So give me your business name again.
Switching.
CSS or
Cleveland Switching.
Cleveland Switching. Yeah, anything under Cleveland Switching?
No.
So we don't even have anything. Can you put something in the comments on this one, that there was something about Cleveland Switching that's not in the system, but if it comes in, we're gonna dismiss it as per Mr. Kaplan? Right? As long as the same incident date shows up, we're just, all right, that makes sense?
It's Cleveland Switching, not the CSS.
Right. That was just his shorthand way to talk about him. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna pay on the 2 equipment violations today and dismiss the misdemeanor. Okay. All right, so
Thank you. Dismiss.
And Mr. Holder is gonna plead responsible on the civil infractions that the boss is gonna pay today. We're all on the same page?
Okay, we're good.
We're on the same page? Okay.
We do have that, right?
I don't need it. It's all on the record. I don't need it. Yeah, and then we can deal with that. Yeah. So when you come in, tell them you've got paperwork for Heather. All right. So go downstairs. My cashier will smile when she takes your money and you guys are out of here.
Sir.
No problem. Yep. Yeah, it's a confusing situation.
Okay, I think I'm fish you down.
Hey, here's I will stick up the budget.
Yep, I'm ready. Come on up. Gentlemen, your appearance is on the People versus Berry Hill.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Mr. Berry Hill.
All right, what are we doing? What do we got today?
We are waiving, we are asking the court to Heather that she is on. Obviously, we're not disputing the seriousness of the allegations. Primary concern with Berry Hill is that Heather is beyond uncomfortable. It's caused her serious irritation, and it's impeding with blood flow. When it's loose on her, it comes back as a tether violation. We've dealt with that twice.
Okay.
And I understand that, again, it's a serious charge and it's not a unique charge in this Berry Hill's history. However, His very health circumstances are, as far as travel and all that, are very constrained. She has 3 children under the age of 5 in the house. One of whom is profoundly autistic. Another one of whom has some serious other health issues. 4.5-year-old is fine. But essentially, Ms. Berry Hill stays at home anyway, other than attending for children's medical needs.
Okay. What, is she on an alcohol tether or GPS tether? I don't even see it having been ordered. Oh, okay, here it is. Okay. Yeah, I got it. I had to find it. Okay, but here's my problem. The alcohol tether was ordered, so we knew she wasn't drinking while she was on bond. So unless we can replace the alcohol tether with something else, she's gonna have to suffer with the alcohol tether, at least until she gets to her AOI and makes the argument in front of another court. So, I mean, she could do some kind of daily testing or something like that if she can find some place to set it up.
Well, then we'll look into that on our end.
Find it over, I have lost jurisdiction, but I'm willing to entertain a bond request. All right, so I don't think we got the waiver out of the way yet. Did you discuss your rights and options with counsel? You understand those rights and the options they give you today? You understand the purpose for a preliminary exam? You understand that if you waive the exam, that means your next court date's downtown at the circuit level, not here at the district court where we're at. Understanding all of that, are you waiving freely and voluntarily? Gentlemen, are you satisfied that the waiver was proper?
Yeah. Defense is satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, so I'll continue the bond as is, subject to some future development, and I'll ask counsel and Miss Berryhill to sign. Signature, Joe. Miss Berryhill, you owe us money on some civil infractions, $652. 1 ticket from Huron 2022 impeding traffic and 1 from Rimulus 2023 distracted driving. Are you in a position to set some kind of regular payments up on these?
I can set record payments. Just ask for, I get social security from my son. I can't work or anything, so if we could just.
Okay, well, I'll tell you what, our only option is not payment plan. So go downstairs and talk about your options. Just, I need a commitment from you that before you leave the building, you'll have a plan to get these cleared up. Okay, do that on the downstairs on your way out. You're welcome. You as well. Are we ready on Washington? Miss Washington, I understand that you're going to plead responsible to an added charge of double parking, and the original charge from February 10 would be dismissed, correct? All right, Mr. Kaplan, I can't do 30, but I've got a bond. I can apply the $195 bond. A 145 is the minimum. If I do anything, I have to do at least 145. So I can do anything between 0 and 145. It's all the same. If I assess fines and costs on any civil infraction, I've got those 2 fees that I have to put on there. We've already got her bond money if she wants to walk from that. All right, so what's I do about the money? I can do that. So she'll get a little bit of money back. Is that the way you want to resolve it? You're gonna plead responsible. I'll take 145 out of your bond and you'll get a little money back. I don't recognize. Of course, I didn't do a lot of circuit court stuff.
Recently with the judge being out of their lane,
Oh, yeah.
he went, walking him in. Done. I should have to see by the end of the day, good tomorrow.
No, no problem.
Should have to call it now, the Criminal Justice Center,
CJC, what Criminal Justice Comp Center? Yeah. I can't remember that either.
Skyline views.
Really?
Because of where it's at.
Yeah.
Because you think about it, once you're in downtown, you look out a window and the buildings are right
Yeah, yeah.
there. It's
Yeah, I checked my email set. I'm fine.
We're supposed to be on at 10.
Who was?
You mean stick around, Heather?
No,
Oh, here
no.
it is. Okay.
Don't read number 2 first, read number 1. Judge, can you tell Mr. Fish he's good, because they never hear me no more? Mr. Fish, Attorney Fish is on. Oh, we just.
I can barely hear you.
That's my thought.
All right, so I understand you have corporate authority counsel for GFL to enter a plea to an overweight ticket from May 11, 2026. Yes?
I do, yes.
Fines and costs $1,650.
Yes.
Due within 2 weeks, do it?
You know what? We've been having trouble with getting our credit card through your system, so
Okay.
I'm having to send these through corporate, so I think 30 days, please, Judge.
30 does it? I am able to come today after 1 PM and anytime after August 7th.
Yeah, but that's the second one.
I had to shut down the Zoom and bring it back up.
There's nothing.
No,
There's nothing. Was something from Vanessa,
Yesterday.
and what was scheduled?
Today, she doesn't like to appear, show cause for failing to appear.
What's the underlying charge though?
DWLS.
So she'll be bench warranted. This is the second time she hasn't showed up for court.
Yeah, well, and it's over a year old. This all started in June of last year. Defendant called in again, requested to reschedule, appear for today, advised of ROI notes, the email was forwarded to Heather, no new date shown. Also advised defendant again to reply to all, to email sent yesterday to inform court availability. Okay, so just the warrant stays till she appears.
There's already a warrant in the system, and it stays until she shows up. All right, YouTube, I think we're done for the day on Zoom, so you guys all be safe. Just shut it down. Actually, I'm probably not gonna come back. I'm probably just gonna go to my dentist.
Thank you, Judge.